To apply typography to your photographs, once you've identified the ones you'd want to work on, we're going to open this photograph in the Photoshop app. Then I'm going to select the type tool, select where I want to start, and type out your action word or adjective. Then I'm going to make the font size larger. You can change the tracking, which is the spacing in between the individual letters, the leading, which would be the space between words, and now I'm going to change the actual font style. If you select it, it will change it right on the image, so you can come through here and check out the pre-existing fonts. I don't really like any of these, so I'm going to install my own. I'm going to dafont.com, find the font you want, download it, and then go through the install process. That font was titled Real Fast, so now I should be able to find it in my type options. There it is. I think it would look better in all caps. And now I'm going to scale it until it fits the space of the image, and I'm going to change the color. That would work. I also want to do a little extra. I'm going to change the blending mode on the text. So I can change, if I select the type layer, which is right here, I can also change the opacity so it's slightly transparent. But instead of doing it that way, what I'm going to do is change the blending mode, which basically affects the way the background image shows through the type. So you can come down through here and try the different ones to see what the effects will do. I like this overlay effect or the soft light. Now another thing you could do is just duplicate the layer to have double the effect. But I think that looks good. I'm just going to scale up the font a little bit larger. Lastly, we're going to export this as a JPEG. And we're going to change the quality, format, standard, and select export. I'm going to hit save image. And our export is complete. Double check that your image has saved and is saved under your photos. And here it is, next to my original. Have fun!